Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by revealing what's causing the extra last page. Turn on the paragraph marks and open the navigation pane so you can see stray paragraphs, page breaks, and section breaks. Once visible, click into Draft View. It simplifies what you edit. Now find the last page in navigation, place the cursor at its start, and try deleting a manual page break or stray paragraph. If it disappears, you save time. If not, move on to section break checks. Next, inspect section breaks which commonly create a phantom last page. You'll find next page breaks that force a fresh page. Select the break and delete it, or convert it to continuous in page setup to preserve formatting without a new page. Also check headers and footers. Unlink them from previous if different page numbering is causing a spare page. Once done, update the view. Make sure to remove any leftover paragraph or manual page breaks that reintroduce the page. Finish by updating fields and checking print preview so you see the final layout. You should also inspect paragraph and table settings. A page break before or keep with next can push content onto a new last page. Change those settings to remove the gap. If a table forces a final blank page, allow row to break across pages or delete empty rows. Troubleshooting tip: if deletion doesn't work, copy content except final paragraph into a new document, paste without formatting, and save.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.